If you would have told last year Joni that B.I.G.'s gunman from Just Jerk Academy would choose her to dance in a demonstration group at the end of his class, she would tell you to shut up. No, like actually. My name is Joni Elaine. I'm a filmmaker, dancer, and child of God, building a creative life from the ground up. I first hit the stage live on TV in Hollywood, and I haven't stopped moving since. Subscribe to follow my journey. To become a better dancer, you need to know you do not know everything. Your favorite teachers and dancers are in classes like every single day. So if your favorite teachers are in classes every single day, why aren't you? The best dancer is the most versatile dancer. Learn different genres. Let's say you're going in for an audition to be a backup dancer for Beyonce. You're probably going to do hip hop, but what happens if the judge asks you to show some special talents and you only know how to throw it back? This is when your other dance skills will come into handy. Like if you know ballet, or if you know some tap, or if you know how to do a mean backflip. Like, you learned this from other classes, other instructors, other genres. This goes for freestyling too. Have you ever gone to a dance class and get chosen for a group? You're like waiting for the choreo to start, so you're just standing there awkwardly like, I've done that. But if you know different styles, then you probably are able to freestyle really well. Make your moves bigger. Maybe you are a good dancer, but your moves are just too small. So how do you make your moves bigger? Become more confident. You start to feel the music more. You start to become more aware of your body. One thing that's helped me start making my moves bigger was body awareness. What helped me gain more awareness in my body is exercise. Have you ever recorded a dance video of yourself and then you watch it back and you're like, I was going really hard, so why does it look like I wasn't moving at all? Because your moves aren't big. When I was on a company team, one of the biggest things that they taught us that I think is important is to have bigger moves. So if you are on stage, the person in the back or in the nosebleeds can see your moves. You don't want to be like, ah. You're supposed to be like, feel the music. Dance is an art form, its own language. So treat it like that. When the music comes on, when a song comes on, try to feel it. Embody that song. What does it feel like? What does it look like? The audience can tell if you're feeling it or not. They want to feel it too. And you are the medium between the music and the audience. That's why these artists have these backup dancers to help bring life to their music, bring life to their live shows and music videos or whatever they're doing that requires dancers. And lastly, I will say practice, practice, practice. Record yourself, film yourself doing a dance, learn free tutorials on YouTube, go to dance classes if you can. I'm not saying to go and hire private lessons all the time unless you got the money like that. And yeah, get a private teacher. You can definitely learn a lot about dance through YouTube, just like you're watching this video right now. So it's kind of like no excuse to not better your skill of dance. Dance, dance, dance.